Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to share with you a video showcasing the beautiful landscapes and natural beauty of Alberta, Canada, where I live right now. I will take you to the stunning town of the Rocky Mountains called Grande Cache. For some of you who have not seen the place yet, this is one for you. So let's travel together. The town of Grande Cache was incorporated in 1966, and it was built on a plateau that is just below the subalpine level of the Rocky Mountains. The town site is surrounded by the three valleys. To the north is the Smoky River. To the west is the Sulphur River. To the south is the Victor Lake and the Grande Cache Lake. To the east of the town is the Grand Mountain. According to 2016 Census of Population by Statistics Canada, the total number of people living in this town is about 3,571 of its 1,752 total dwellings. So you can walk in this town without bothering to bump into anyone on the street, unless you go to the store, of course, or the supermarket. This town is accessible by car from any point in Alberta. Public transportation, like public buses, is not available though. If you are a nature lover who is into discovering unspoiled forest or parks, this town has a lot to offer for you. There is a famous Sulphur Gates, which gives you a beautiful scenery of the vast forest Rocky Mountain ranges, turquoise river, and other things natural. There is the vast Wilmore Wilderness Park, which as of today is still noted as one of the unspoiled park in Alberta, meaning that this park is still not touched except for minimal maintenance work. And there's more to look and discover in this beautiful town. I hope you will enjoy the photos we shared to you in this video. Enjoy!